Il-kap tal-Oppożizzjoni Joseph Muscat jisħaq illi f'dawn iż-żminijiet il-Partit Laburista qed iġi pruħu b'mod mill-aktar prudenti fil-mod ta' kif jitkellem. Jgħid li mhux se jilgħab logħba politika partiġjana għaliex fin-nofs hemm l-istabilità ta' pajjiżna.
The stability of our country is at stake and we will not play petty politics with the stability of our country. We expect the rules of democracy to be abided to.
F'indirizz il-Korp Diplomatiku il-ġimgħa wara nofsinhar Joseph Muscat jisħaq illi l-Partit Laburista huwa lest għal kull eventwalità.
We are ready to take responsibilities, we are ready to take decisions. We are, yes, ready for all eventualities.
Il-kap tal-Oppożizzjoni assigura li l-Korp Diplomatiku illi gvern ġdid se jmexxi tranzizzjoni bla problemi f'dik li hija l-politika Ewropea.
We see and we're looking forward if we're trusted with government within the next few months. We envisage a seamless transition when it comes to European issues and European policies.
Joseph Muscat spjega wkoll illi gvern ġdid se jkollu persuna politikament responsabbli għall-affarijiet Ewropej.
We will have definitely a person who is politically responsible for European affairs, as happens in basically all other member states, leaving the liberty, the opportunities and the resources to the foreign minister to focus not only on European affairs, but to focus on the wider world.
Fl-aħħar net, Joseph Muscat qal li l-messaġġ li jrid iwassal lill-Korp Diplomatiku huwa li l-Partit Laburista huwa lest u għandu pjan konkret. Jisħaq illi fil-moment iżda l-unika konsiderazzjoni tal-Partit Laburista hija l-istabilità u l-interess nazzjonali.
Our first and only consideration in our actions over the past few weeks and during the next weeks will be, as always, national interest and stability. Thank you again for being here.